made a promise to me to keep it 100 with me. I'ma be all I can be. Gotta be honest with me. These niggas ain't who they say they is. Yeah. These niggas fake, but they say they real. Yeah. I took the good with the bad. Yeah. I bought the part with the ad. Yeah. I never hated on niggas. I played my position and got me a bag. That nigga mad and they ain't understanding. I thought they'd be glad now. Hey, remember our last conversation?
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Catloco. I'm back at that 89 Caprice. You won't see that video until Saturday morning, but you can see I took the Euro lights out of there. That Euro clip was kind of busted, so I didn't take that. I took that little light right there. So JP wanted me to come out here and look at these hinges for him. He's another fellow YouTuber slash subscriber. Oh, they got a light in there. I don't know if I got the light on mine or not, but I might have to get that. Oh, I got lights on both sides. But yeah, but JP wanted to look at these hinges. These hinges are, I don't know how smooth it is. Like the passenger side feel good. The driver's side might need to be oiled up a little bit, greased up. I think you found a driver's side already. I got the carb still in here. The engine's still pretty much intact. I need to hurry up and do my engine on my Caprice so I can know exactly what I'm missing. But anyway, I came out here really to look at this Caprice again. One for the hinges for JP. That grill's still there. I don't know if you need a grill. Steve Davis needed the door panels. He needed like a navy blue, and you know, these are blue. Got the head visors that he wants. Yeah, someone took something out that door. That was pristine when I looked at it. On JP's 90, he had LED lights or something here, but this one doesn't have the light strip right there. I don't know if that's factory or custom that you did on yours, but it has this little piece right here. So I don't know how valuable this piece is for you. It is something to the steering column. I don't know if they tried to take it and couldn't take it. I think I want a little shift knob on there if I can get that thing off. The biggest thing for me is, you know, I'm missing a radio bezel. I went ahead and ripped that out. And before I left, I was pretty sure I just threw it in the back seat. But as you can see, ain't nothing there. Ain't nothing there. So I was like, damn, they got me. Dude also didn't take the lights. The lights are still here. I have a mind to take them even though they won't fit my 77, but these things are just too pristine to leave. I think JP lights are good. Steve Davis, I don't know if his lights are good or not. I believe it is. This bumper ain't bad either, but I'm not about to ship a bumper. Anyway, I was looking for that radio bezel, and I remember filming over here when I was showing you the Euro clip. But like someone picked it up anyway, and I looked down here, and I actually hit it right next to the car. So we will be taking this today. I just need the trim piece and then this little thing on the back. So I'll be taking that today. I'm happy for that. But yeah, I don't know why dude never came back. I would definitely would have took these lights. I mean, these things look brand new. Hopefully you can see it over the glare. But yeah, if those things were fed, I'd probably use them, but I got a different year on mine. And for Steve, this door wasn't intact, and then they took the like switches off of this one, but the panel's still here. They didn't damage it too bad, so you should be all right if you wait next week. This panel should be here. That door panel should be here. No one really messes with the visors. They're in pretty good shape on both sides. I kind of want those seat belts. I just like dye them black or red. So they'll probably come back after this. I really like the knob on this one. Yep, that's mine. I don't know if this thing screws off or not. I feel like it does. Leave that. Yeah, but in my last video when I was watching it, the one you're going to see tomorrow, or actually Saturday, I noticed this little knob, and I don't think those are factory, but I like them. But anyway, Steve, this 8.9 is waiting for you. JP, if you're here, man, this hood is pretty good. This hood is pretty immaculate. I think it's missing like the chrome trim right there, but that ain't a big deal. Main thing is this hood is like perfect for you. When I was looking for a hood, I couldn't find anything near this condition until recently. It has like a little dent right there, but it's more like a ding. You can get that out. But I'm really glad I found this one too. They're starting to pop up now that it's getting hotter. I'm hoping I find 77 and 79 come through. But you gotta, you know, work with what you got. These seats ain't too bad except for like I said, the rip, the arms, but that's about it. But anyway, I came mainly for the radio. It's kind of hot for the hinges, so I'll probably have to come back for the hinges on a weekend when I get more time. I don't have too much time today. I mainly just came for this bezel. But that 83 inside and then this 89 still have the hinges on there. But hit me up, let me know what you need. By the time you see this video, I probably would have pulled them already. And like always, remember to comment, like, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.